Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share Ghana pound cake recipe with you. You will love this, okay? So do well to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment, and also click on the notification bell. Okay, so let's look at the ingredients we are going to use. We are going to make use of soft flour. We are also going to make use of vanilla flavor. We are going to make use of butter or margarine. We are going to make use of sugar, and we are also going to make uses of milk, as well as baking powder, nutmeg, salt and raisins. And we're also going to make use of some eggs. Yes, I will leave the quantities in the description box, so don't forget to check out for the quantities, the measurement and everything. Okay, so the first thing is to grease your pan with some margarine or butter. After, you will sprinkle some flour in it. It helps to easily turn your cake after baking. So when you sprinkle, try and take the excess flour from it. And so this time around, we are going to grind our sugar. I didn't use much sugar. I used about 125 ml because I didn't want much sugar. Yes, so I'm going to grind it into powder form. So you can choose to use 1 cup, that is 250 ml. Yes, but I use just 125 for 500 ml of flour. Yes, okay, so I will set it aside, and the next thing I'm going to do is to pour in my flour into my strainer, and I'm going to add the baking powder to it and then strain it to get any form of particles from it. Please do well to click on the notification bell, okay? It helps. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. If today is your first time, I say welcome. Please don't go without subscribing. Subscribe, share this video, comment and like also. Thanks so much. Okay, so we are done straining our flour, and we'll set it aside. And at this point, I'm going to use my food processor. You can use your hands to do this, okay? Just get your hands and spatula to cream it, but I'm going to use food processor. You can also use your cake mixture or your bread making machine. So I added my sugar to the margarine, and I'm going to cream it. Blend the butter or the margarine and the sugar to smooth form for it to be creamy. Yes, so that's what we are doing now. Please do well to share this video, okay? So at this point, I'm going to use my spatula to scoop the excess ones, the ones around it, get everything in the middle, and then cream it very well. And so, like I said, you can use your hands. That spatula, use wooden spatula, not just any spatula, but wooden spatula if you are using your hands to do the creaming very well. Okay, so we'll continue with our whisking. And so while we whisk, we are going to mix our eggs and our milk. I used 4 eggs. You can increase it to 5 or 6, okay? So I'm going to add crack all my eggs into this bowl. Then I'll add my milk to it, whisk it, add my salt and also my nutmeg to it. Okay, please do well to subscribe, share this video for me, comment, okay, and give this cake a try. You will love it. You will love every bit of it. So as I said, I'm going to leave the quantities of the ingredient, the quantity of the ingredients in the description box, so do well to check, okay, for appropriate measurement and all that. Okay, so I'll add the nutmeg and the salt also to it, and I'm going to add everything to the whisk margarine and the sugar. Yes, and then whisk it together. Okay, then I'm going to add my vanilla flavor to it before, yes, I whisk it. Okay, if you're a new person here, thank you so much for joining. Please do well to stay, subscribe, and share the videos, like, leave a comment, give it a try, and let's see. So this is what we've had, or this is what we have, It doesn't mean you've made a mistake. No, this is how it's going to be. So we'll be adding the flour little by little and then mix everything together. Okay. And so I'm going to add the rest of the flour to it. Yes. Do well to click on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, share the videos, and leave a comment. Okay, give it a try and let me know the results. Okay, so I'll whisk this, mix everything together to get my paste very well. And so at this point it is ready. Yes, so I'm going to pour this into my cake pans. Pour everything into it. And so what I'm doing is I'm trying to get any excess air out, any form of air out of it, to avoid poking holes into my cake. So I'll get every form of air out of it, and we are going to bake this. But before then, I'll sprinkle my raisins on top, and I'm going to bake this in my gas oven. I'll set it on a medium heat and I'll bake this for 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes, and that will be okay. Yes. So I'll lower the fire, I'll lower it. Yes. Okay, so this is it. After 30 minutes, our cake is ready. I've already put off the fire, and I'm going to just pierce through it, and everything is dry. Okay, so well baked, exactly the time set for it. And so we just allow this to cool down, and then we will turn it. You realize that when you turn it, it's so easy to turn. It doesn't become difficult at all. So try the method of greasing your cake pan, then sprinkling a bit of flour in it. Okay, so this is it, our Ghana pound cake. So this is it, ready to be enjoyed, looking all sumptuous, and the taste was heavenly. I mean, the sugar was okay, because for me, when cake contains a lot of sugar, I'm not able to eat it. So all the time I want to reduce the quantity of sugar in it, and so for me it's okay. But hey, if you love it very sweet, then increase the sugar. Okay, thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video, and click on the notification bell. Watch out for another sumptuous recipe. Bye bye.